bring your own bottle and save earth. Sir, actually KSRTC, I already briefed about KSRTC. I'll go to next slide. We have 8,800 buses, sir. We used to provide drinking water in our 300 premium buses. Premium buses means it's high-end buses like Volvo, Scania, Mercedes-Benz, like that, sir. They mostly are night service buses. So we are providing for the benefit of the public that they cannot get down during night time. So we used to provide drinking water bottle. Almost every year we used to give 1.20 crore plastic water bottle. It is not rupees, it is bottle, number of bottle we used to give. And as a part of this initiative, organization contributed towards reduction in single-use plastic, besides saving water and saving cost of rupees 6.50 crores per year to the organization. So as you know, sir, if we give any benefit or facilities to the public, it is very difficult to withdraw those facilities, because even media also won't allow us to take back those facilities. The same thing in respect to the public or people. It is very easy to extend any facilities, but withdrawing any facility, it is next to impossible, sir. So we thought, okay, we will form one group, environment committee group, and we'll form our people also in the part of that. We will bring some awareness to them why we are withdrawing this facility, what is the what it is destructing to the earth in terms of using plastic bottle or wastage of water. Because as you know, sir, we are giving we used to give these water bottles during night times. Night times, most of the passengers won't drink, because they have to go for fresh room and all. During night time it is not possible, because the bus won't stop everywhere. So they used to consume only one bit or two bit, and they used to left it like that only in the bus. In the next day morning, our driver and conductors, they used to wash their bus glasses in this mineral water. So we thought we can reduce the water consumption of water also, and plastic bottles, and it will be saving crores of rupees to the organization. So we have initiated one campaign, sir, that is bring your own water bottle, and one more this one, Namma Sarige, my own water bottle. We have categorized the contest as children, middle-aged, senior citizens. And sir, why we have this initiative? This initiative means the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India, with the main objective of creating plastic-free environment in buses and bus station, they have issued one guidelines, that is Swachhata Hi Seva, on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary. So we have taken this as a step, and we have roped into the initiative, and we started this campaign. And we have organized, as I said, we have organized one group. This is our environmental group, sir, Bangalore, that is beautiful Bangalore, and a solid waste management group. So we have roped into these committees, and we requested them, please join hands with KSRTC. We have to start this campaign to reduce the waste. Sir, you can see this is the campaign we have organized in major bus station. This is one of the major bus station in Asia, which connects metro, city railway station, and city buses. Every day 1 crore passengers traveling in this major bus station, sir. In this bus station we have started Swachhata Hi Seva campaign. Due to this, sir, sir, addition to this is the stoppage of water bottle. Addition to this, we have started one more initiative, that is ban on tobacco and open space urination in KSRTC bus station. If you know, sir, any KSRTC, not only in KSRTC, if you see any STO bus station, especially government bus station, means open space urination is very common. They won't bother. So we have started this fining. We have directed all the major bus station and district headquarters that we are going to impose the fine for the people who are going to do open place urination. The amount of fine collected from tobacco alone, sir, 2.83 crores, and open place urination is 85.42 lakhs, sir. This is the highest amount of fine collected by any other department, not even railways or police. We are the ones, sir. As I said, sir, we have used social media extensively for digitalization and entire campaign contest for this one, sir. We have taken confidence of the media, and we have printed in social media, booking SMS, booking websites, update scrolling, e-ticket and m-ticket. Whenever they used to reserve the ticket, this message was passing through the passengers, sir. See, sir, this is your trip number. Happy journey. To avoid single-use plastic, KSRTC has discontinued distribution of water bottles in premium services. Passengers are requested to cooperate and bring their own water bottle. Say no to single-use plastic. Save Earth. This is what the people has to get the SMS when they book the tickets, so that there will not be any confusion for them that, oh, we were thinking that KSRTC will provide the water bottle. We come as it is. Now you are telling, means there will be quarrel between driver and conductor and the passengers. So we have taken all the precautionary measures to how to implement successfully this initiative, sir. This is the selfie with your own water bottle contest poster, sir. This is the winner, sir, because the passengers is our esteemed commuters. They have to get in, they have to support our initiative. So we have, these are the winners, sir. For winners, we have given one day, one trip, any of their choice, even from Bangalore to Pune, Bangalore to Bombay, in any type of service, whatever they want. One to and fro journey ticket we have given, sir, for the winners. This is the paper clipping, sir. In addition to this, sir, one more thing we have implemented, that's commissioning of sanitary napkin incinerator and napkin vending machine at bus stations, sir. Actually, you may be aware of that, sir. In bus stations, we have 10,000 lady conductors and mechanics working in our organization, sir. Lady conductor means they have to travel routes without any this one. So it is very difficult they have to locate medical stores to get the napkin and all. And even passengers, also ladies passengers. So we thought, okay, we will introduce napkin vending machines and napkin incinerator. We have installed in major bus stations of all KSRTC major bus stations, sir. They have to put coin of 5 rupees and they can get the napkin, sir. This is what we have introduced. This is based on the CSR activity, sir. We have saved, as I told you, sir, and we have introduced plastic bottle crushing machine also in KSRTC bus station, sir. Under CSR activity, we have joined in another one company. They have sponsored the machine. So if somebody has bought a plastic bottle also, they can crush in the bus station. So it is a wholesome 360-degree of this saving the earth project, sir.
You are through?
Yes.
Sir.
No, madam, good. A very small initiative, but it would have gone a long way in terms of saving your cost and also eco-friendly. But only one question is hitting my mind. You know, what about, plastic bottle availability at the bus stand in general, no? Because plastic bottles must be available. They may be buying from those kiosks and and bringing it their own bottles.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, that is the issue, sir. After this initiative we have implemented, we have advised all our shops to reduce the plastic water bottles, sir. Even then, it is very difficult. And we have initiated one more thing, sir. What is that? We have engaged with BPCL, sir, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. They have sponsored almost 38 water kiosks, that is pure drinking water facility in our bus station, sir. So, it is almost 1.75 crores of that CSR fund they have provided to KSRTC to implement water facilities in bus station, so that they can bring their own bottle and they can tap up the water and they can travel like that. This initiative also we have implemented along with this, sir.
Then another thing is that ban on tobacco and open urination. That's a good step. Yes. But only thing is that, it should not be a source of revenue that every year you keep on collecting more and more fine. The idea is it must come down.
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
So awareness creation should be the focus.
Yes, sir. Awareness, and if some fine is imposed, that is 100 rupees, sir. Per person, we are imposing only 100 rupees because there will be some fear among the public, sir. Otherwise, if you are putting posters and we are saying, means nobody will care, sir. So we
That's-
are implementing. Yes, sir. That's why. Sir.
Good.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
I have only one small concern.
Yes,
You know,
sir,
one of your awardees was showing plastic bottle in his hand. You awarded a person with a plastic bottle in his hand. This is my only
Yes, sir.
concern.
No, sir. Actually, the photo both the daughter and father, sir. So
Yes,
we
both
have
were-
to show that.
Both
scene.
were having plastic bottles in their hand.
Yeah.
So
No, yes, sir. I saw, sir. I saw. It's a very good notice, sir. You noticed. Yeah, please. Actually, father and daughter traveled, sir. So we have given award to father because senior citizen we have to consider. So we have not given to daughter.
no, but a person carrying plastic bottle should not have been awarded, particularly when you are looking at no single-use plastic.
But
That was my
Sir,
concern.
but we
Okay.
used to give plastic water bottles. Sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
No,
sir.
you,
Yes,
you
sir.
used to give, but awarding a person carrying plastic bottle in a campaign to stop single-use plastic is not good. That's my concern.
Yeah,
Okay?
yes, sir. But
Thank you.
actually, what happened, no, sir? We have not mentioned this in our campaign,
No,
sir.
no, but that should have been.
Preconditions,
That
so
should have
we-
been. That should have been.
Yes,
Because
sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
because
the
one more,
idea is to stop single-use plastic. Idea was not
Yes, sir.
that
Yes, sir.
people
Definitely,
bring
sir.
their own plastic bottles, because then it doesn't matter whether you give the plastic bottle or people bring their own plastic bottle. It doesn't help.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
so in this connection,
Yeah.
you should do some sort of small study, or you must get some feedback as to with this initiative, how many
Yeah.
people are really now bringing plastic bottles in the buses, and how many have switched over to some metallic bottles or otherwise.
Say multiple use. type.
Multiple use. So that will
Yes, sir.
really, forcefully allow you to say that, yes, we have done environment friendly step.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We'll do that, sir. We take a note of it, sir. We'll do.
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.